This is why I want a weld car. What is even going on? This poor boy's been sad sitting on the floor. All the paraphernalia collecting on a shelf. I've come up with a rough layout, a rough top-down view, and then finally the exact numbers, which has boiled into a cut list which almost exactly matches the stock at hand. Remember to do all your thinking in advance so you don't have to think while you work. I was short 31.5 inches, and it turns out I just had one of those laying around. It's square enough, so let's get the welder ready. Oh, this part's too big for my table, so remember to like and subscribe so I can afford a bigger table. Oh, okay, important thing. I was about to weld this on, but there's a part, specifically this part, that has to fit in here. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Fuck it. We'll do it live. I can weld that. Ta-da! So the rear shelf needs to be marked so the right stabilization leg can be folded accurately. So I'm adding marks so that when the back shelf is folded, it's going to match up to all of this support structure rather than any specific measurement. This is something woodworking has taught me, is that it's much better to project and relate than to try to do measurements, especially when you're doing a one-off and the exact matchups are less important than it being internally consistent. Alright, here we go. This is probably the most important part of the whole project. But we're just gonna do it because I don't know any better, because I don't know, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Is it gonna be fine? It's gonna be fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. I need help. Alright, we just need to run the same thing again, except this time for the bottom shelf. This sucks. How can I make this better? This sucks too.
Now what?
I've forgotten something important. I have a welder. I can just weld this all together. Alright, big mystery. Is this gonna work? Alright, I quickly knocked out this round little panel thing. Now I need to zip it in.
need a bigger work table.